Hello, in this video, I will show you how to add the StereoLine System wall system in your store. Click on the new product icon on the left-hand side to reveal the products menu. Click on the Wall System tab and select the StereoLine System. There are two subcategories, body and accessories and complementary products. Click on the body to see all the elements of the StereoLine system. Click on the profile to start drawing. As you see, the distances are shown from the side walls to the upright as you move it on the wall. Click to add the starting upright. There are two different standard widths available, 60 cm and 90 cm. You may keep adding uprights at any of the available widths. Add as many as needed. Press Escape to exit the command. Press Ctrl on the keyboard and click on one of the uprights to select all the connected items. You may change the height of the uprights from the settings menu on the right between 240 cm, 270 cm, and 300 cm. Once the uprights are inserted, add panels from the Products menu. The width of the upright will be adjusted according to the widths automatically. Add side covers as well. The side covers will be placed automatically to either side of the unit. Add bases and side bases to the unit. These will also be placed automatically once you click. You may add top frames on the unit if desired. Simply click on the item and click to place on the unit. The widths are automatically adjusted. Press Ctrl and click on any of the items on the wall unit to select all of the wall unit. This will enable the settings menu on the right side. You may adjust the settings of all the elements of the wall unit here, including the materials, finishes and measurements. Once done, press Escape to exit the command. You may now add more items on the wall unit. To add a visual, click on Tab and select the visual. Once added, press Escape to exit the command. Click to select the item and change its features. You may change the material as well as the actual visual to be displayed. You may choose to have aluminum frame around the visual. Using the settings, you may adjust how the visual chosen looks inside the frame. To add shelves, click on the Shelves and Apparatus tab. You will see a selection of available shelves. Click on one and add as many as you wish at desired locations. Select the items and change their materials. You may duplicate to add the same shelves. Remember to use the static height option when adding items at the same level. Click on the hanger and add where you desire. Add more by duplicating them. To add face-out bars, click on the bar on the menu. Place the cursor on the hangers you wish to add face-out bars. Change the finish and copy as much as needed. You may want to change your design. Simply select the items to be changed. Remember to press Shift to select more than one item. Once selected, click on Delete button. To add accessories trays, click on the item on the menu, and simply click to add where desired. Change the finish and height if needed and copy with static height activated. See you in the next tutorial video.